गुड इवनिंग्स। बहुत दिनों के बाद ये ऑनलाइन आपसे मिलना हो रहा है। कोरोना नाम की महामारी ने सबके गति को रोक दिया है। हम सब इस महामारी से बचने के लिए घरों में कैद हैं। आप लोग हमेशा हाथ धोते रहेंगे, एक दूसरे से दूरी बना के रखेंगे। हम जल्द भारतवासी इस पे विजय प्राप्त कर लेंगे और बहुत जल्द ही हम आपसे मिलेंगे। आई एम मिसिंग ऑल ऑफ यू। और मैं आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी जहां भी होंगे, जैसे भी होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई में मन लगा रहे होंगे। आज मैं आप लोगों को क्लास 5 की रेनबो की जो फर्स्ट पोएम है, डू नॉट गिव अप, इसकी मैं रीडिंग कराऊंगा और इसको आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे। और आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू गिव द लेसन ऑफ दिस पोएम। ओके चिल्ड्रन, यू आर रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The poem is written by anonymous. The poet is not known. But what I am going to recite these poems, first listen carefully and then you will recite these poems. If you keep on going on,
If you keep on going on,
never stop, never stop, you can keep on going, you can make it to top. Life is full of mountains, some are big and some are small. But if you do not give up, you can overcome them all. So keep on going on. Try not to stop. When you keep on going, you can make it to top. Dear children, this poem describes the struggle of human life. यह कविता हमें चरैवेती चलते रहो, जैसे कि वेदों में कहा गया है, जैसे कहा गया है कि चलना ही जीवन है और चलते चलते मंजिल मिल जाएगी, या तो लक्ष्य मिल जाएगा या अच्छा मुसाफिर बन जाऊंगा। इस बात को इंगित करती है ये कविता। आप यहां देखो, यहां मैंने एक ऊंच नीच माउंटेन जैसे बनाया है। तो इस पोएम में माउंटेन का जिक्र हुआ है। कह रहा है कि इफ यू कीप ऑन गोइंग ऑन, दैट मीन्स इफ यू कीप कंटिन्यू योर मोशन टू गो फॉरवर्ड, यदि तुम आगे बढ़ना जारी रखते हो और नेवर स्टॉप, कभी रुकते नहीं हो, you can keep on going, you can make it to top, then you can achieve the top of your success, the goal of your life. Life is full of mountain. जीवन full of, किससे भरा है? Mountain. Here mountain is a symbol of obstacles, problems, difficulties. जीवन नदी नालों पहाड़ों समस्याओं दुर्घटनाओं से भरा हुआ है। कुछ छोटी हैं, कुछ बड़ी हैं। उसको पोएट ने कहा है कि some are small, some problems are very little, some problems are big, but you do not give up, but not lose the heart. लेकिन कभी दिल को छोटा मत करो। You can overcome them all and you can win the problems. You can overcome the obstacles if you keep on going on. So keep on going on. Try not to stop. Never think to stop, to give up, to leave the problems, but fight the problems. When you keep on going on, you can make it to the top. And when your speed will be continue, ultimately at the end you will achieve the top of your problems. This is your goal. This is your goal. goal of life, goal. And when you continue to run, continue to go, ultimately we will go to the top. This is the top. This is the top. Top of your life, top of your success. So, I am repeating again these poems. Just you listen, and at the last, you will recite this poem. If you keep on going on and never stop, you can keep on going. You can make it to top. Life is full of mountains. Some are big and some are small. If you do not give up, you can overcome them all. So keep on going. Keep on going. This line is very important for a human life. Maybe any type of problems. Anytime, always you keep on going. Always you start fight. Keep continue the motion of your life. Try not to stop. When you keep on going, you can make it to top. And if your motion, your struggle is continue, it is given by God to you. At the end, you will overcome the problems. So, this is the essence of problem in one lines. Study, slow and steady wins the race. जो सतत प्रयास करता है, जो सदैव प्रयासरत रहता है, वही युद्ध को जीतता है. The life is also a fight, and only that one will win the battle of life. That one will win the goal of his life, who is always in struggle, always in motion. So, it is called चरैवेति चरैवेति, चलते रहो चलते रहो. यही जीवन का सार है और यही जीवन है. क्यों? कि मोशन इज लाइफ. गति ही जीवन है. और इसी को इस पोएम में समझाया गया है. Some here are new words. You look at here. New words. Keep on. In Hindi meaning जारी रखना. Never कभी नहीं. Full of mountain कठिनाइयों से पूर्ण. Give up प्रयास छोड़ना. Overcome सफल होना. Make it पूरा करना. Now I think you have understand. Now I will ask some little questions. You are ready? You are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is mountains in here in this poem?
These are the problems which we face in our life.
Yeah, very good. Thank you. Mountains, here not the mountain of stones. Here the problems of lives. And who will overcome these mountains?
Our continuous motion.
Yeah.
And
If
effort.
you are in motion, you can overcome these mountains. 1. What lesson you learn from these poems? This poem gives some lesson to you. Can you tell?
We should never give up in problems or in problematic situation. We should always try to overcome them and always walk forward.
Yeah, very nice. So, get a lesson from these poems. The man will win the problems. So, in this new era, we are fight with Corona.
Yes, sir.
This is the threat to the humanities. This has given a threat. ये पूरे मानव जाति के लिए एक चुनौती बनकर आया है. और यदि हम इससे लड़ना जारी रखे, तो ultimately we human will win these problems. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And 1 minute. Things new words. Suppose that new words are few new words. I will write down here. Just like keep on, keep on, keep on, to continue, to continue, to continue. Meaning, this is the meaning. You know the meaning. You can write it on our notebooks. And this is never, never. This is called not never, never. Never, never means not even. Not even. The next words, full of mountains. Full of mountains. Full of mountains. Here, not mountain of stones, full of problems, full of problems, full of problems, problems, full of problems. Now I think you note it down, and if you get any new words, difficult words, my number is one thing. I give my WhatsApp number to all of you, 9451033174. You can call on this number 24 hours, and or you can WhatsApp any problems in written or in voice any times. I am always ready to help you in even any subjects. And I am very missing my students of English medium primary school, Midha number 2, Block Hanumanganj district, Balia. So, whosoever listen my words, give this message to all my children and contact this my number, WhatsApp number, and call to me. I will help you. And as soon as this lockdown is open, I will try to complete all your courses within times and keep you on the top of the education. Thank you, children. Thank you.